I guess retail hands are currently saying "I told you so" because Bill Ackman's company has taken up a 4% stake in HTZ, and as you can see, up 3.6% in this pre-market session of today, the 17th. Just at the close of yesterday's session, the round up again of around 100% or thereabouts. You can see this intraday high of $9 that it printed. If you go by this intraday high and its close as of the 15th, this is obviously more than 100%. Yeah, so yeah, the news is that Bill Ackman's company has taken up a 4% stake in the company. As things stand right now on this 4 chart, we can see that the price is right outside of its price channel. Let's see, yeah, outside of its price channel. And here on the 1 hour chart, things are a bit different. It's coming back into that channel, I think. Um, let's see. Okay, our best bet is to come back on to the daily chart. Here on the daily chart, what we have downward projections. We have downward projections, but I'm not exactly sure since the market is not open at the moment. I'm not exactly sure if this is made it will be the most reliable, but in any case, yeah, that gain, the spike printed here, and this what we have here on the chart on this daily chart is roughly a 56% gain or something like that. But the gain continued into the post market session of yesterday. So yeah, what we can still refer to them anyway. Downward projections of 5.34, 5.06, 4.64, 3.41. Some of them are not in play at the moment. 3.28, 3.06, 2.85, and all the way down to 2.6. This is the daily chart. Let's have a look at the 4 minute chart and 4 hour chart. We might get this is what we're looking at right now. Extrapolation is to the upside for the 10 and 21 period moving averages. Um, we don't have any projections. Let's see, we don't have any. Okay, well, we have projections, downward projections, as a matter of fact. 3.41, 3.54, 3.75. All of them are all downward projections, but for the momentum, it's indicating that it's going to spike a bit. I mean, increase, accelerate somewhat, and then begin to drop off maybe before the regular session of today. So by the time you're watching this, it may have much of these gains that they ran up may have fizzled out. So we the good thing about some of the tools we have is that we may be able to get an idea of the sort of trading range we are going to be looking at. Yeah, okay. So we can try and see what the trading range for maybe if it's today, we might be able to see. Let's see if it's going to be for today. Let's see. Trading range for well, still indicating it may be for based on what happened yesterday, but we can still refer to it and see, just get an idea of what it was like as of when the market closed. Okay, so down here we're going to find what the trading range is. Yeah. Okay, so 6.74. So by now it's currently at 7.64. By now, maybe you should if you're still in it, just be careful. Just be really careful. You should it's indicating that you should be out by now. You should be out of the stock by now. But if it prints towards if it begins to print towards 4.9, then you should also be out. If it gets to 4.66, maybe you can consider going in again. But it's up to you as well. If you want to remain there, you can readjust within these figures. If it maybe, as the case may be, if it retraces, you want to average down, you can. It's up to you to decide if it's whatever you want to do. So this is the 4 hour chart, and this is the trading range we have between. I would say the trading range, I would say comfortably should be between is 6.5, or rather 4.9 to 6.5. I didn't include these figures because these are the figures where you should be exiting, and maybe figures where you should be coming in if you want to come in. So I just left the trading range in between those two extreme figures. So has stock on the move. Still holding the gains of the post market session. Currently now the gain is 36.78%. There's no guarantee it's going to continue to spike. And I did mention it's heavily shorted, 44% short interest. Who knows? And as of 2020, it was a meme stock. Went bankrupt and all that. So just be really careful as well. Just be really careful. Things can go wrong. But I will continue to update you regardless. And thank you very much for watching this video.